Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one of the cool features present in Microsoft Word, where we can translate a selected text or an entire document to many languages. So we will see how we can use this option. So we can translate the selected text or an entire document to more than 60 languages. So this is a very useful features in Microsoft Word. For this, if you want to translate a selected text, first we need to select that particular text by clicking 3 times. So entire paragraph will be selected. Now we need to right click, and you can see from the bottom last third the option which is translate. So by clicking this option, there is a dialog box or side window going to open. You can see here whatever selected text is there in the topmost row. So now it is translated to Hindi. So I can select any languages. So let me select Arabic. So the entire text, selected text, translated to Arabic. It will detect language. So it is detected whatever the language present in your document, Word document, and translated to Arabic. And you can select any other language. So let me select French. You see the selected paragraph translated to French. Even you can translate entire document. Here there will be another document created with the translated language. So let me translate this document to, that means entire document to Arabic. So when you click translate, there is another copy of this document going to open, and which is translated document. So the entire document is selected to Arabic. So this is a very useful, cool features in Microsoft. So you can make use of it freely if you have Microsoft Office. So this is about translate over 60 languages by using Microsoft Word. You can go to this option by clicking Review tab, and under Review tab, so you can see under the language group there is a translate icon. If you click on drop down menu, there are 2 options. One, translate selection, that is selected text. Another one is translate document. So this is with respect to translating the document to many languages by using Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.